Hi friends! Hope you're having a great day. Today we are going to make a fun activity with wool. It's going to be a cute little bunny wool activity. It's a fun Easter activity. Are you guys excited? Let's get started. Let's have fun. Materials needed. We need a ruler. We need a small piece of paper. We need a scissors. We need double-sided tape if you have. We need 2 googly eyes, small. We need 1 piece of yellow foam. We need some stuffing. We need a glue gun if you want. We need white wool and pink wool. You can use other colors as well. Let's hop into making a bunny. First, let's measure 2 centimeters width and 10 centimeters long. Now, let's cut it out. Now we have a little strip of construction piece. Now, let's keep the rest aside, and then let's take a double-sided tape or a glue gun to glue them into a circle. Let's glue one side of the string. Now after we've done that, let's fold it like this and see the glued side and stick the other end right on top of it, like this. We don't really need a thick layer of construction paper, so let's just cut just a little piece off. Now I have cut just a little piece of the construction paper into a circle. Now let's keep that aside and work with our yarn. Let's take 1 color of yarn and just cut a little bit of string. Just a little bit. After we have done that, let's do the same thing 8 times. I have cut 2 sets of yarns. You can also cut 1 set of yarn as well. Now let's start at our hat. First, let's take 1 color that you cut it and fold it like this in half. Like that. Next, take the folded side and hold just a little bit, like that. You should see a hole where you're holding it. Then, place that hold right on top of the circle we just cut it out, like this. Hold that tight and take the bottom part and pull it in the circle, like this. Push it in the circle. After that, now pull it in the circle where the folded side is. Then pull that over gently, and you will have a knot. Repeat this step with all the other strips of string. I have made the knot on each string. You can use your own combination of patterns or colors. I have chosen pink and white as my pattern. Next, let's inside out these strings that are sticking out from the inside hole. Let's open our hole, take the other strings and push them in the hole like this. It's okay if it's messy, you can fix it later. Now just release them like this. Make sure there's no knots on them. The inside doesn't have to be pretty that much. Now, let's use a rubber band, or you can use a string as well. Let's take just a little bit and leave the other strings aside, like that. Hold just a little bit, take your rubber band, and then just stick all of them together and put a little space on the bottom so we can put them like a hat. Then just put a little more knots with your rubber band. Just a little. I have made a knot and stick all the thread together. Let's just cut a little bit of the string that is sticking out. Just a little bit. You can measure with your ruler if you like. Just a little bit. Don't have to be too long so it won't be like a hat. Just a little bit. Just like a trim. That's enough. Now, let's use our cotton and fill the inside up. Just a little piece of cotton and fill the inside. Doesn't have to be full. Now I have filled just a little cotton inside the hat. Now let's stick our googly eyes into our hat so it looks like a rabbit. I have cut out some ears and a nose that looks like a heart. Let's stick the nose in first. You can use double-sided tape or you can use a glue gun. Hop little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop little bunny, hop, hop, hop. I have made a cute little bunny hat by attaching the ears, eyes, and nose. I have also